This is the unboxing of December's Boxycharm, and let's see what great gifts we got this month. Okay, it looks like we got a Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tales Robin Hood palette, manufacturing at $35. We got a LMS Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. Ooh, that sounds interesting. Retailing at $79. Looks like we got a Ciate Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher, retailing at $26. And then it looks like we got a Seraphine Botanicals Daikon Dreams Lip Exfoliator with Radish Extract, retailing at $24. Very nice. And then a Feathermate liquid lipstick, retailing at $9. Okay, let's move on to our products. Okay, oh, this is really nice. I really like the packaging. This is the Fairy Tales Storybook Cosmetics. Very nice. Look at these colors. I love the green, the glittery green, Forest, Nottingham, Maid Marian, and Quiver. Very nice. Christmassy too, and earthy. I'm going to put this back in the packaging. And next we have the Marbled Light Blusher. Very nice. Oh, that's very nice. Let's open it up. Pretty. Okay. This will definitely go in my purse. Okay, we'll put this back. And this is the liquid lipstick. And I'm going to swatch this for you so we can see what it feels like. And this is in nude. This looks like a really pretty color. It's this very nice doe tip applicator. Oh, very pretty, very rich and earthy as well. I don't want to waste it. Let me put some on my lips. A very nice color. Okay, let's put this back. This I'm looking forward to using all of the products, but I especially am looking forward to using this lip exfoliator with radish extract. My daughter was always telling me to use a lip exfoliator during the winter time to help exfoliate my dry lips. But overall, my lips are pretty hydrated. And then last but not least, this LMS Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. Wow, I love facial oils, especially the Bobbi Brown. And let's see how this compares. This is a glass container, very nice, very hygienic looking. And I will open it up and pour a little drop on the top of my hand. And I can already smell the fragrance from here, just in the packaging, even before I opened it up. Oh, that is very smooth, very nice, and it's very silky. And look, that just goes right into the skin. Oh, how lovely. And I love the fragrance. It's not overwhelming, overpowering, and it smells very fresh like roses. Okay, well, that's all for the unpackaging today. Thank you for watching my channel. Bye now.